Guys, look on that. It's already bright. So bright. Guys, look on my hand. Hey guys, welcome to Lobos Entertainment. My name is Ricardo, and guess what guys? We're bringing back the Audi A3 to the channel. Been a while since you guys seen this car. I'm planning to bring the car to the track. I'm trying to prep the car, getting it ready for the track, but one of the things I really want to fix is the headlights. I live in the country. A lot of time I'm driving home, it's dark. And you know these days, they don't care about life. They just run across in front of you. So I'm trying to see them before it's too late. Anyway guys, so I got these LEDs called AUXITO. They're supposed to be really, really good. So I'm going to install these in my car, and hopefully it's a big difference. When I'm coming from the track, I will definitely show you guys before and after. So let's get started. Alright guys, here's all the tools you're going to need to take out the headlights. A T27, that's all you need actually to take out the headlights. Obviously you're going to need LED lights. So let's open the box. These are the LED lights that comes in the box. You're just going to remove the OEM and you're going to plug these in. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Alright guys, so I already removed the headlights, but I'll put it back just to show you guys where the bolts are. So this is a T27, and there's a T27 back here, and one right here. So once you pull out these three, it should come right out. The reason why I have to take this headlight off is because how they design it. So you can get access to the high beam, but the low beam is difficult to get to because the cap, this cap behind it, it's right next to here, and it's hard to get to unless you take off the fender lining to get to it. So it's just easier to take out the headlights because we're changing both. So let me show you how I do that. Alright guys, so once you get the headlights out, you got the low beam and the high beam. So let's do the low beam. Well, let's do the high beam first. So we pop the back off, and it's a tab right here you have to twist. Once it twists, the headlights come right out. So once you do that, there's a tab on this side and this side. So I recommend use a flathead. I recommend using a flathead or a pick, anyone. So you want to pick this side up and pull it forward, and same goes for this side. So once you pry this up, alright, once you pull it apart, this thing right here is going to come right off, and this is the bulb. This is the bulb you're changing. So basically you're just replacing this for the LED lights. You can go to the website, put the car in, and you can scroll down, find your car, the here, and you find the exact light you're looking for. Anyway, so this is one of them. Try not to touch this thing as much as you can, and you're gonna put it right back as how you take it out. So basically, you drop it in like this, and you're just gonna plug it back in. Basically reversing how you took it out. You snap it in. There you go. And see it stop right in. Once you do that, then you put it back in the hole. And you just twist. It locks on this metal piece. This screw right here, it grounds on both sides. When you turn it and lock it, it locks right in. Hopefully you guys can see it. That's how it locks. So you twist it, lock, and then that's it. Pretty easy. And you put the cover back on. And now let's do the high beam. High beam is the same thing. Unscrew, and you're gonna take, you see how it sits? And you turn it, pop it right out. Once you pop it out, you can lift the tabs. These tabs are annoying in my opinion, but it's whatever, it's old school. And you just pull. Alright, so you notice how it sits, OEM. You take the headlights off, the LEDs, take it out, basically rinse and repeat what do you do for the low beam. Same thing for the high beam. Twist, lock. See, that's it. Once you do that, you close it. Bam, you're done. And you install the LEDs in the headlight. So I'm going to do the same thing for the passenger side, and then I'm going to turn the car on. Guys, look on that. It's already bright. So bright. Guys, look on my hand. And these are regular. These are not even high beams. Look at that. See, no codes, nothing. It just works. Plug and play, guys. Plug and play. Alright, let's try the high beams. God damn. Thing is bright. I can see in the day. So I can't wait to see how this is at nighttime. So bright. This is low beam, guys. Low beam and high beam. Barely see a difference with high beam. Alright guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and also I got a 15% coupon in the description in case you guys wanna buy a pair of LED lights. Anyway guys, see y'all later.